Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G52 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I'll just set up my fingerprints to the scanner here on the power key button, and now I can unlock the device with my fingerprint. So now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, this is so simple. I just simply touch the power key. I'm not just press it, I just simply touch it. So the fingerprint scanner works here so fast. That's a good result for the fingerprint here unlock method. So I suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the pin codes or passcodes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.